Dr. Afrina Yasmin, consultant physiotherapist, Apeksha Hospital, Dibrugarh. So today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, that is knee osteoarthritis. It is typically wear and tear and progressive loss of articular cartilage. It is very common in elderly people. So it has two types, primary osteoarthritis and secondary osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is very painful chronic joint disorder that not only affects knee joint but also hands, hips and spine. Symptoms kini hobo pare jeneke apunar starting with pain to kom thakibo ba jikono kam korile apunar pain to bahi jabo, knee joint stiffness ahi jabo, fuli jabo, digholia bohi diar pisot ba rest kori diar pisot knee pain to besike bahi jabo, movement korte knee joint to par eta cracking sound ahibo pare. Jodi ekini symptoms apuni face korise ba apunar kunba family member e face korise apnaloke honkale physiotherapist ejonor osor consult korok, ami surely apnak help koribo parim. Thank you.